Hello and welcome to Phuket. Today, I'm at Ban Anorak, where I'm going to be taking part in a retro photo shoot with famed Italian photographer Adriano Trapani. I'm really not quite sure what's going to happen, so stick around and find out. Coming up on this week's show, we're taking a look at the new Boat Avenue shopping street in Chungchale. And later, Christy Matzenberger takes us for a taste of some of the more exotic treats on offer at this year's Watch Long Festival. We'll also be checking out the Chinese New Year and Phuket Old Town festivals around the island this month. And be warned, there will be goats. But first, we throw a big pile of kids at the Flying Hanuman Treetop Adventure Park.
Hi, I'm Kai and I'm 14.
Hi, I'm Sayami and I'm 14.
Hi, I'm Simon and I'm 9. Hi, I'm Conrad and I'm 12.
Hi, I'm Kim and I'm 13.
Hi, I'm Olivia.
Hi, I'm Randolph and I'm 14.
Hi, I'm Victor and I'm 12.
Today we're at Flying Hanuman.
We would like to see how awesome this place is. It's so fun.
Seven kids versus Phuket's acclaimed Flying Hanuman, an adrenaline-fueled ride across 80,000 square meters of rainforest, featuring numerous zip lines, 28 platforms, 2 sky bridges, spiral staircases, a sky rail, and a 40-meter abseil down a centuries-old tree. So, is Flying Hanuman a kid-friendly activity? Let's find out. But first, there may be a bit of a problem.
I'm scared of heights, but I'm here to have fun and try, not to be scared of heights anymore.
There was like walking on bridges.
Yeah, it's
and like there was kind of
so
like
high in the mountains.
there was kind of like a wooden plank.
They were okay, but like they wobbled a lot, which was kind of scary. But like the highest one was really scary for me because it was like wobbling, and then like it was really far up. Like if you look down, like you scare yourself.
Higher there.
It's really scary to me.
Pretty adventurous, but when the free fall kind of thing, you hook into this rope and just like drops you really quickly through like this little hole in the floor. That was really scary.
We were lifted down a huge tree. Slowly, but it was scary.
It's one difficult. It's like the zip lines go down and we need to hang it like this and slide down.
And that hurted.
Yeah.
We had to go down vertically.
Yeah. And he stopped us like really hard. It's pretty fun though.
The last zip lining and the after after the longest one, like the 400 meter, I was fine with the zip lining, but then just the drops, like where you had to like drop down, that was scary.
We were very high and then they like made us go really fast down and then somebody stopped us and then it became like to the long part zip line again.
No, I don't want to do it. I don't want. Sit down. Good luck. No, wait. Sit down. Oh my Buddha. Yeah! Whoa! Oh no!
for here. Yeah, sometimes it will go. Okay. Because some station you go fast, you can every time. And you just enjoy. Feet up high. Okay. Then up. Feet up high. Okay.
I feel like scared.
We feel like scared and we were like freaked out
And it's so fun.
Going slow down the last part, also the last zip line, and obviously the 400 and 200.
Yeah, it was interesting. It was like, I didn't expect what I was going to go for.
Obviously tell my friends that they should go here because I mean it's just actually when I went down I just wanted to do it again. I was like, no, why can I not do it again? I was disappointed. I was like, I want to do the 400 meters again.
It's good for both. It's good for all ages.
Basically, the guys were hooking us up, and we had to go all the way down. Go all the way through the zip line. So the first one was a zip line, pretty fun. And then the second one was another zip line. Except it was longer. So it got longer and longer and longer, more scary. It was so fun.
Well, at first I was like really scared, like I didn't want to go on at all. But it was like after 2 or 3, it was actually okay, like you wanted to go, but like it was still scary but fun at the same time.
I was tied to the small children. Yeah, I saw a fake monkey on the tree. It was very exciting.
I like it when I go down the zip line because I feel like your food's just going up. It's awesome. Like a roller coaster.
I tell my friends, dude, let's go on the weekend. Let's go. Like Conrad said at the end, just want to keep on going.
Randolph was like, I don't want to fly like Superman.
I'd recommend it to everybody.
Yeah.
Like, I tell them that if you miss out on this, you're gonna miss out on most things in life. This was really awesome.
Yeah. Good experience.
You can't, like, if you don't do this, you're missing out on something big.
I love you. Oh, I love you. Oh, I love you. All of yours. Yeah. Telling you with the freedom. Yeah, you got it.
Everybody, Dewey gives this place a thumbs up.
Yeah!
Supreme Eye LASIK is the first ophthalmological center in Thailand to use advanced eye LASIK technology for eyesight correction. Utilizing technology direct from the US, our experienced ophthalmologists specialize in this blade-free operation, so patients can be assured of an accurate and hygienic procedure to improve their eyesight. Supreme Eye LASIK. So good, you can see the difference.
Learning to ride can be a fun and thrilling experience for all the family. Cooling Horse House offers full horse riding training courses at our beautifully appointed and peaceful stables, set amid the natural tropical environment of Phuket, with great accommodation and fantastic facilities. Trek along tracks rarely traveled as you learn to become one with your horse. Call 081-938-3151 or visit coolinghorsehouse.com.